Hello everyone, this video will show how to sketch the graph of trigonometric function in transformed form over two full cycles. Now let's go over this example. Looking at the problem right here, we can see that our amplitude here is 2. Moreover, we can go ahead and say that our equation for midline is y equals positive 3. We can also say that our b value is 5 pi. Now let's determine the phase shift or the starting point. So the phase shift can be determined by setting up this quantity right here equal to 0 and solving for x. So I'm going to go ahead and show the work down here. So our starting point will be located at x equals 1/3. Now let's determine the period. So we remember that the formula for period is 2 pi over b. In the problem right here, our b is 5 pi. So this comes out 2 pi over 5 pi. So we can cross out the pi and pi. So we're left with 2/5 as the period. Now we remember that from the starting point, we can determine the next point by adding a certain number. And this number that we add will be equal to period divided by 4, since a full period or one cycle is divided into 4. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down here. So I'm going to plug in the period, which is 2/5. So this would come out 2/5 over 4. Now please remember that this 4 has an invisible denominator of 1. So this is a complex fraction. So we're going to write 2/5 first. And then we're going to flip it and multiply across. So this would be 1 over 4. So this comes out 2 over 20, which can be reduced to 1 over 10. Now, please notice that the starting point and the number that we add each time don't have the same denominator. So we have to make sure that their denominators is the same. So what we do is we will multiply the starting point by 10 over 10, and we will multiply the one that we add each time by 3 over 3. So this is how it's going to look like. So our starting point is at 10 over 30, which is pretty much 1/3. Now, the one that we add each time to get to the next point, we're going to multiply this by 3. So that means from the starting point, 10 over 30, we always add 3 over 30 each time. So I'm going to go ahead and write the x coordinates here. Looking at the divisions that I did here, this is made up of 4 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one full cycle. In this problem, we're looking for 2 full cycles. So I'm going to add another 4 segments here. So we go ahead and write the starting point, which is 10 over 30 down here. And we are going to add 3 over 30 each time. So 10 over 30 plus 3 over 30 would be 13 over 30. 13 over 30 plus 3 over 30 is 16 over 30. And then we have 16 over 30 plus 3 over 30 is 19 over 30. 19 over 30 plus 3 over 30 is 22 over 30. And I'm going to go ahead and add 3 over 30 until I get all the way down here. From here, we can go ahead and go back and reduce any fractions that can be reduced to lowest term. So we're going to start with the first one. This is divisible by 10, so this should become 1/3. 13 over 30 cannot be reduced to its lowest term. 16 over 30 can be reduced to 8 over 15. 19 over 30 can be reduced to lowest term. 22 over 30 can be reduced to lowest term. That's 11 over 15. And I will reduce the rest of these. Let's go ahead and sketch the midline. So it's located on y equals 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be all the way up here. And we're going to put the dots on the midline. Now let's sketch the cosine graph. This is a positive cosine, and we go up to 1, 2. So it's going to start up here, and we're going to start drawing the curve. And we're going to go down to 1, 2. So it's going to sit right here. And we go up to 1, 2. So this is one full cycle. Since it says we need to come up with 2 full cycles, then we will complete the rest of the other cycle. So this is the graph of this given function that we have right here over 2 full cycles. Now please remember that this goes all the way to infinity and this goes all the way to positive infinity, but we're only drawing 2 full cycles.